What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is nice and early. Well, it's only 9 o'clock, but I just got done with the gym. We're gonna go get a haircut. It's a pretty cool day. I'm gonna be getting my VIPER car alarm installed today by Best Buy. So I bought this probably 2 months ago, and they didn't have any openings to install the alarm. So today we will be doing that. That is at 1:15, so I have time to go get a haircut. I picked up some Starbucks. Nothing like a good coffee early in the morning, but we're gonna go. If you guys don't know, my brother is a barber, so I get my haircut.
Toward Arnold Avenue.
Oh. So I get my haircuts through him, and luckily I'm stationed here in Maryland, and I didn't have to go out and looking for a barber. Because if you don't, I think I'm going the wrong way too.
Head north toward Berkeley Avenue.
I am. Because if you don't know me, I am so picky when it comes to finding a barber and how I like my haircuts. I get a haircut probably every 10 days to 2 weeks, just because I love having a haircut. It's the best feeling ever, and it's just you just feel like a new you. And I'm super excited to move because we're moving in about 2 weeks. The moving part is not going to be exciting, but moving into the house and having a garage is probably the best part about us getting this house, and me having my own house, because I never thought at 25 I would be able to have my own brand new house that we built from the ground up, which is pretty cool to say. But I'm super excited because in 2 weeks I'm finally out of the apartment, and the only reason why I am installing this alarm is because I don't want my wheels to get stolen again. I mean, this is not 100% bulletproof, but it will prevent them from stealing it, because I did buy, I don't know if you guys can see that right there, there's a fake car alarm light, so it flashes blue. You just switch on the switch to turn it on, and it acts like you have an alarm, but I really don't. I put that just so if they did come back, they'd be like, oh snap, he got an alarm. But with the VIPER alarm, it's actually the two-way it's a two-way remote. So if the car is going off in the garage, it will alert or page me. Oh, there's something going on here.
In a quarter mile.
It will page me to, hopefully in my apartment. We're actually going to test that out, because I do want to see if it actually works from my garage to my apartment, because there's a lot of walls, and I don't know if it's gonna even activate it from that far. It's not far, it's just a lot of wall and a lot of obstacles that it has to go through to get to my apartment. So that's gonna be part of this video. We're gonna test it out. Hopefully it works, and I can show you guys how it works, because that's gonna be super cool. And I think it's always good to have, because if you're at the movies and your car is going off, it would alert your key fob, and I don't know, you can just press, or you can go out there, look at it real quick, and go back to watching your movie. So we're heading to my haircut. I'll pick it back up after my haircut, and we should be going to Best Buy. If you guys are ever in the Maryland area, like Silver Spring, Rockville, Montgomery County, come to Heritage. Go to my brother, his name is Brian. He will hook you up. I mean, anyone in there is tough at cutting hair. So if you don't have a barber and you're looking for one, come here. I will have their Instagram linked down below. come check them out. Heritage Barbershop in, I think this is Kensington, so look them up, hit up my boy Brian. He's tough with it. Woo! Just got done with my haircut. Like I said, hit my boy up, Brian. I'll leave his Instagram down below. He goes by Gordo the Barber. Hit him up, you won't regret it. Or just anyone that works in Heritage Barbershop. But change of plan, I actually have to pick up my dog at the vet because my wife, she dropped her off to get a shot. So I have to go pick her up, take her home, and then we should be on our way to Best Buy. That's like another 30-40 minutes, but I'm gonna go pick her up, show you guys. She's terrified of car rides. She gets sick, and she definitely hates my car. I think I've only taken her somewhere in my car once, and she hated it. Like, she was shaking the whole time. I'll try to show you guys, but we're gonna be on our way to pick her up because I have to hurry a little bit.
I-495 East.
She's back. Hey. She's a little hot. She is gonna hate this car ride because it's super loud. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Getting the red seats dirty. You ready to go home? You ready to go home? Alright, let's go. So we usually have a seatbelt for her, but that is in my wife's car. I don't keep that with me because I never take her in my car. So I'm driving very careful. Yes, we put a dog seatbelt on her because you never know what can happen, but hopefully she doesn't throw up. She tends to throw up a lot on car rides, so let's see. So much noise, right? It's too much noise. Come on.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-4.
Home stretch. Please, please, please don't throw up. She's doing better than I thought. I thought she was gonna hate. Cause I've taken her one time in my car and she absolutely hated the car. She's never thrown up in here. She's thrown up in the other car. But I was afraid that she would get car sick. But she is doing just fine. We made it. Good girl. You wanna jump out? Come on. Careful. Come on. You scared? Let me get you. Y'all wanna see how fast she is? Just wait. Come on. Come on. Come on. So I just dropped off Riley. Now we have we're gonna get there just in time. We're supposed to be there at 1:15. It's like a 40-minute drive, like a 35-minute drive. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yep, so I have to go I am so damn annoyed. Best Buy, or should I say Geek Squad, was not able to install my alarm. I have it right here. And they were telling me they needed more than 2 hours and they had no spots today to do it. So apparently I have to come back. So I have to come back next week and get it installed, which is shit. I have to come back next Friday, drive another 40 minutes to this Best Buy to get it installed, and the system's right there. And I'm gonna miss my exit if I don't pay attention, but they weren't able to do it today. I don't know why they couldn't have called me and saved me the time and drive and just scheduled it for next week, because now I have to wait another week to get it installed. And I bought this system like 2 months ago. Hopefully it gets done next week. I'm pretty sure, 100% sure it's gonna get done next week, because the guy was the one that scheduled a 3-hour appointment instead of 2. So I'm gonna still continue today, because Shay and I are gonna be doing something, and I'm gonna just continue it. And it's basically just gonna be a day with Kev and not an install or review on the system. So I'll continue this video later. I'm going home because the whole plan was to be down here, or for her to come here. So she drove too, for her to be here, so we could or I could have a car or be able to do something, and we were just gonna go out and just look at stuff. But that plan is no longer happening because they weren't able to install it. So I'll continue the video. I don't know, we have a date today, which is a pretty cool date, so I'll take you guys along, because this is a waste of video now, or it would be a waste of video if I don't continue it. So let's win. What are we doing?
Got axe throwing.
What?
Got axe. This is that axe. Peek in there.
Yeah, so we've never done this, so should be fun. Little date night. I will get this.
We're gonna be here all night long. Show me your upper lip.
This is like the 50th. And I'll put the light on.
Show them your lip.
No.
Come on. We got some shine. Oh yeah, we got something to say?
Yeah, I went 3 out of 1.
That's not what the score sheet says.
There's no
See
proof.
The score sheet? But see those 2 trophies right there? Can y'all see that? Put that into focus. Put that into focus. Who's that?
It's not focusing.
Who's that?
That's me, and that's her.
That's me, and that's you with 1 trophy. Are you gonna call the popcorn right now?
Out of 10.
That was good. 11 maybe.
11?
It's so fresh.
I got, what is this?
The burger.
Open road burger.
Yeah.
I say it's like a 9 out of 10.
This is good.
They can't see my face. So that's gonna be the video, guys. I had to switch it up and make a life in, or what is it?
A day in the life.
Day in the life. Gonna be the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I had to switch it up and do a day in the life.
Peace out.
Shay.
It's me.
Don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year.
You gonna reach it.
Peace out.